Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the Word document and choosing the app you'll use to convert it. Open Word or upload the docx to Google Docs. This matters because built-in export keeps layout. Once done, check page breaks and fonts to avoid reflow when exported. If using cloud, make sure sync finishes. If offline, confirm the file is fully downloaded. These steps prevent formatting errors and speed up conversion. You now perform the conversion. In Microsoft Word, tap File or Menu, then Export or Share and choose PDF. In Google Docs, use Share and Export right arrow save as PDF. Make sure to set orientation and page size. This controls final layout. Once you select PDF, pick Destination, Phone Storage, or Cloud. If you need higher quality, choose PDF/A or Maximum Image Quality. These options affect file size and compatibility, so choose based on where you'll send the PDF. Finish by saving the PDF to your desired folder and opening it to verify pages and formatting. You should scan quickly for missing images, font swaps, or altered line breaks. These indicate conversion settings need change. If you see problems, return to the Word file, embed fonts or flatten images, then export again. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the app fails, use the phone's print to PDF option or a reputable converter app. This often preserves layout when export features struggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.